Hello from Gibson Park on this What's Up Wednesday. I'm Shannon with Visit Great Falls, and we're looking ahead to events coming up later this week and into the weekend. First off, we're starting in Gibson Park because Shakespeare in the Park will be here tonight performing Hamlet. Coming up tomorrow, Thursday night, one of my favorite events, it's the Montana Cultural Fair. They've moved it inside this year. It'll be happening Thursday night inside the Mansfield Convention Center. It's your chance to experience cultures, food, customs from all over the world right here in Great Falls. Then on Friday night, it's the Downtown Night Market. They'll be closing off a couple blocks of Central Avenue in downtown Great Falls for food, craft vendors, DJs, drinks, all of that. Really fun time on Friday night in Great Falls. Then it's a busy Saturday, number of events going on, including the Lions Family Fun Fest, free event happening at Lions Park with carnival, face painting, all kinds of fun stuff there. It's also the second Saturday at the History Museum in Great Falls, and this will feature a documentary looking into Black Eagle and the Anaconda Company, the smelter area there, and that full history should be a really good event. That's at 1 o'clock this Saturday. Also on Saturday, you can get a chance to explore Charlie and Nancy Russell's Honeymoon Cottage out in Cascade, and then here's some cowboy poetry happening as well. A few different times for that event, including 10, 11, and then 1 o'clock this Saturday. And then on Sunday, it's art in the ballpark. The Voyagers are teaming up with Paris Gibson Square Museum of Art for an art event, and Orbit, we're told, will be there and be part of it as well. The Voyagers mascot and art kit for kids. That's happening this Sunday at Voyagers Stadium. Of course, don't forget, you can check out the Farmers Market on Saturday in downtown Great Falls, and also Thursday evenings in the parking area of the new Shields Aim High Big Sky Recreation and Aquatic Facility right in the middle of Great Falls. For more to do anytime, you can head to visitgreatfallsmontana.org. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and our podcast. It's called We're No Damn Experts. We'll see you here soon.